Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a SIM that will work in North America. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me, and show you how to do it. Link and coupon will be in the description. Okay? Okay. Right, click on this link in description and open this website, Wi-Fi. Okay, and get unlimited roaming data. Will Wi-Fi eSim, say goodbye to expensive roaming charge and enjoy your travel adventures. Alright, where are you traveling to? And write North America and click on this unlimited data eSim. Click on this. This price $4, unlimited 4G, 5G data, no downloads or registration, keep your WhatsApp number, instant activation under 5 minutes. Right, scroll down, choose data type, unlimited or fixed data, choose a speed plan at light, plus or premium. Right, fixed data price 180 days validity and this price. Nice. Alright, unlimited data and click on light, 30 days $17 plus, and this price, and premium this price. Alright, click on this 30 days premium speed unlimited data. Order more, save more. Buy 2 eSIM, discount this. Buy 4 SIM, discount this. Buy 6 SIM, discount this. Nice, it's very nice. Okay, buy one position and click on add to cart or buy it now. Alright, and this activation eSIM, click on buy it now and open new page and write discount code Rom Tips and click on apply, and your discount $40 and click on pay Google Pay or contact. You write email and write your card number, date, security code, name of card, and billing address. You select your country, first name, last name, address, postal code, city, and phone. Alright, and click on pay now, and that's all. You buy eSIM for North America. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Bye.